Okay, so this video we're going to be unboxing the LG XBOOM 360, which is a funny little lantern guy. Hopefully it's not burgundy, oh well. I'm doing it in the boot because the floor's wet, so don't complain. So you got a little view of the top there. So we've got the first box, little cardboard box here. It's a nice colour. In this box we've got a charging cable. No brick with this one though, just a standard cable, and I assume that's the manuals, but you're not going to be looking at those. Right, 1 second, just putting my box back together. Right, then we got another bit of cardboard there. More stuff there. And then this is the actual guy. Oh, it's quite heavy. It's definitely burgundy, I can already see it. So, it's quite big, actually. We've just got a... I don't really want to get wet. So it's like proper lantern looking fella. It's quite heavy, actually, more heavier than I expected. Let's just give it a turn on. Okay, maybe it's dead. Okay, I assume it's dead, so I'll charge it and make a review later.